Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a long-lasting foundation routine. These are my favorite products to use whenever my foundation, I want it to last all day, and Memorial Day weekend is a perfect time to make that because you're going to be outside cooking, whatever you're doing. Swimming won't work, but I know this will be past Memorial Day whenever I upload, but it will be useful for any time. This is just an updated video of how I have my makeup long-lasting wear all day. So if you're interested in seeing my routine on that, just keep watching. Before I put that on my face, I made sure there's no makeup left on my face. I use the Garnier water, Miracle Water. It's amazing. It literally gets all the gunk off your face. Stop, Kylie. And then I went in with the Healthy Sunscreen Cream. Let it dry. Definitely don't immediately go back in with the primer. Immediately after you put on the sunscreen. You don't want to do that. I've been using the Blurring Cover FX primer. Really like the best primer that I have right now because I haven't updated my primer yet. So this came out of the BoxyCharm and I've been using it every single day. I'm going to use the 24-Hour Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in color, why is this focusing? In color 103. Just going to go in.
I'm tired. I want to do it.
This is more orange than my skin color. So that's because I've been self-tanning. So my face is pretty white compared to my body. I see the difference in my skin. Alright, I'm going to go off camera and do the rest. Okay, so since this is like a long-lasting foundation routine, I'm just going to do the record myself on the foundation routine only. So I went ahead and did my lashes and eyeliner. I've been loving these lashes. I love like big dramatic lashes. These are the Ardell Double Up Wispies. Love the like doll eye look. You don't have to do this eye look, obviously. And since I am going to be outside, I wanted to keep it kind of like really simple. So I'm not going to do no eyeshadow today because me personally, I feel like whenever I have much makeup on, lashes, eyeshadow, and I'm outside sweating, I feel like I end up looking like a cake face, and I'm not trying to look like that. So we need to start hiding these bags, so we're going to get in with doing that. I have any of the Tarte Shape Tape left because I really want to make this last. I think there's a little bit left. What are you doing? Stop. I'm just going to put this under my eyes. I do have a little bit left. Good. I'm going to take what little setting spray I have left from the Slay All Day and spray it onto my beauty blender. We're going to blend. Now that you have your concealer blended out, we're going to bake the face. Since I know the Fit Me setting powder makes your makeup stay all day, I'm going to just stick with this, and I might make like a first impressions and like how the wear works with the Rimmel. But we're going to go in with this to bake. I'm going to use my beauty blender I just used. And really press it into the skin. I don't know about y'all, but I use a lot of powder for my forehead because a lot of powder on my forehead because that's where I get most oily and oily. I say oily to replace the word sweaty because nobody likes the word sweaty. Nobody likes to look sweaty, so we'll just use the word oily. Right, babe? I'm oily. Not sweaty. Y'all probably see me use this a lot in my videos. It's the Youth Sculpted by It Cosmetics. It has all these beautiful contour colors. It is lasting forever, and I had it for a year and I still haven't hit pan. I use this every single day, literally every day, and it's like the go-to palette that I always reach for. It's just, I don't know, there's so many options with it, and it's just an amazing palette. I like to take a little bit under my nose.
What are you doing, Ariel?
Recording my under the jawline to get rid of your fat chins. Oh, did you lose some weight? Of course, yeah. No, I did. Now that you're looking skinny as hell, we're going to dust excess powder off. Dust everything off. I also want to let you guys know I use the lip injections by Too Faced. Focus to plump my lips. Okay, so I don't use blush. I do not like using blush at all, to be honest. So highlighter. Well, should we highlight? We'll add a little highlight. I'm going to use the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfection, very gold shimmer highlight today.
Shut the door. Come on, Kylie. I guess you're staying here.
That you have everything done and you're looking flawless as hell and you're ready to go party for Memorial Day weekend. It's time for setting spray. This is the most important part. You can use any setting spray you want. I'm almost out of this and I'm really heartbroken because I don't have no job right now, so I can't afford to buy more setting spray. So I'm going to end up buying like a cheaper, probably NYX setting spray. I haven't tried them yet, so I'm really willing to try this. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection Setting Spray. So when you're wanting your makeup to last and you're done and you're about to use your setting spray, you don't want to be generous. Like, you want to spray your face hardcore. Like, spray it.
Brush your hair out. Now brush it out.
Cover your hair up like this so you don't get it all in here.
If you don't let me brush it, we're not going to need it. The what?
You can keep your eyes closed and just... I would use more than that, but I'm almost out and I'm really upset about it, so don't want to talk about it. I'm probably literally going to have to buy more whenever I get a chance. I'm almost out of setting spray.
Mama.
Okay guys, my battery is literally about to die, so I'm going to end the video here. I hope you have an amazing Memorial Day weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.